A few months ago, my kitchen was being refurbished, and since happiness is homemade, I found ways to make delicious food with other kitchen appliances besides the cooker and the oven. This is one of the recipes that I came about. Quick, delicious fried rice in a regular rice cooker. This has now become a thing. As a matter of fact, I do it regularly because it is easy, delicious, and so simple. And thank you for stopping by. Please kindly subscribe, activate your bell icon, and let's get cooking. I have about 2.5 cups of rice in here. I'm going to wash it really well until the water runs clear. This ensures that once cooked, it singles out nicely. And then going with some garlic granules. That is followed by some salt to taste, and then I'll pop in 1 bay leaf and add some water to it. Enough water to cook it, but not too soft. Now in goes some much needed coconut oil. I will stir everything together and put it on the rice cooker. I am using a regular rice cooker to make this delicious fried rice. Once it is in, I'll go ahead and press the cook button and let it cook. Over here I have some cooked sausages. I'm going to chop them into smaller pieces. If you have any leftover proteins at home, be sure to use that instead. I also had some cooked chicken breast in the freezer that has been defrosted, and now I'm cutting them into pieces as well. I'll chop up my onions into thinly sliced too to blend in with the rice beautifully. Prepping all the vegetables while the rice is cooking makes this even super easy. Now let's go and check on our rice. It is cooked, it smells and tastes lovely with the coconut oil and the garlic granules as well as the bay leaf. It is giving out such a nice flavor. Now these are the sausages and the cooked chicken as well as some eggs here. Okay, for aromatics we have chilies, fresh ginger and chopped onions, as well as carrots and green peas. Okay, so to start, I've just cracked some eggs into a bowl. I'm going to season this with some vegetable seasoning and then mix everything up. While the rice is still very hot and steamy, I'm going to go ahead and pour our eggs on top of the rice. Hello, if you are new to this channel, welcome. I hope you do consider to join us by subscribing and importantly activating your bell icon to receive future uploads. Now my dear, I've just added the chicken pieces together with the sausages, okay, on top of your rice, just like this. Now going with the chopped onions, and then I decided to throw in some sweet corn as well. And now look, we've got all our vegetables on top. Next thing I'm going to do is to add our chilies and then fresh grated ginger. Fresh ginger there is a must add to fried rice. And now I just added some butter and I'm going in with soya sauce. Yes, sprinkle on top of the vegetables as well as any seasoning of your choice. I'm using vegetable seasoning. And now I'm going to cover it and put it back on cook. Mind you, this will only stay on cook for a little bit to heat up the rice and the vegetables. And what is rice without chicken? This has been seasoned well. And my dear, I came back to the rice. At this stage, the butter is just beginning to melt, and that's good enough. The vegetables doesn't have to be hot to touch or cooked. No, I'm going to go ahead now and stir the vegetables with the seasonings and the butter, everything on top, before digging in to mix with the hot rice. The hot rice will cook up the vegetables in no time, and at the same time adding its flavor to the rice. Let's go in with a little bit more of soy sauce to give it a beautiful color. Then I will make sure to stir it up properly from bottom to the top so that it is all mixed up properly. And yes, I feel na you fried rice, no baby, I white. No. Yes, just like this. Look, isn't this beautiful? I'm going to cover it now. Leave it on cook if it can. If not, don't stress, leave it on warm. It's coming back about 10 minutes time. Look at our beautiful rice cooker fried rice. The color is beautiful, it smells gorgeous, and it tastes divine. The kids are now back from school, and this is how we serve this quick delicious fried rice for dinner. Everybody loved it. I hope you give this video a like, subscribe, share, and I'll see you in my next upload. Thank you for watching. God bless you. Bye bye.